Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for anyone dealing with international finances: how to transfer money from PayPal to a Nigeria account in 2025. If you're trying to send money to family, friends, or business contacts in Nigeria, you might have run into some hurdles, but don't worry, I've got you covered with a straightforward guide. First off, let's address the elephant in the room. PayPal doesn't directly support transfers to Nigerian bank accounts due to regulatory restrictions. However, there are reliable workarounds that make this process simple and secure. Start by ensuring your PayPal account is fully verified. This means linking a bank account or credit card and confirming your identity to avoid any delays. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and head to the Wallet section. Here, you can add funds or manage your balance. Since direct transfers aren't an option, you'll need to use an intermediary service like Wise, formerly TransferWise, or WorldRemit. These platforms allow you to withdraw from PayPal and send money to Nigeria quickly. Step 2. Once you're on a service like Wise, create an account if you haven't already. Link your PayPal as a funding source. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Then, select Nigeria as the destination country and enter the recipient's bank details, including their account number and bank name. Step 3. Double-check the exchange rates and fees. In 2025, with fluctuating currencies, always choose the option with the lowest fees to maximize what your recipient gets. Initiate the transfer, and you'll get a confirmation email once it's processed, which could take 1 to 3 business days. A quick tip: always use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts to protect against scams. Also, keep an eye on Nigeria's evolving financial regulations, as they might affect transfer limits. There you have it. That's how you can transfer money from PayPal to a Nigeria account in 2025. It's all about using the right tools and staying informed. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.